Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello guys, welcome to House of Pastry. Let's meet our group members. The first one, Muhammad Khairul Azri bin Nurisam. The second one, Aina Nur Adila binti Hamdan. The third one, Nur Amira binti Maulud. And the last one, Nik Nur Humaira binti Nik Hazisha. Let's get started. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Amira binti Maulud. My student ID is 2022-606036. I would like to present about project summary. Our team decided to choose House of Pastry Cashierless machine system as our main project. Firstly, the first question that we will ask from the customer is their detail like name and choose either dine-in or takeaway. Next, we will display the type of pastry for customers to choose what they want to purchase. Customer will choose the code of name of the pastry. For example, the code of name of pavlova is P. Then customer will add to cart the order that they buy at the system, and customer will be asked if they want to continue the order or not. After the customer continue the order, they will be asked for their detail again. When the customer is done with their order, they will continue to make their payment by cash, debit or credit card or QR code and will get their receipt order. Last but not least, the customer can pick up the order that they purchased at the counter. The objective of this project is the first one, to calculate the total price of the customer purchase. Second, to calculate the total order of the customer purchase. The next one is problem analysis. We have input, process and output. For the input, we have customer's name, customer place, menu option, code name for type of pastry, size option, quantity, answer and payment method. For the process, we have total order plus equals to price. And the next one is new price equals to P multiply with Q. And the last one is output, menu, total order and total price.
Before we continue, what is pseudocode? Pseudocode is an English-like phrases which are used to describe an algorithm. So, we begin with an overview of the algorithm used for the Cashierless system. This is the pseudocode that form our Cashierless system. For start this program, the customer will choose what to order. Then, it will display enter your name and the customer will input their name. Then, it will display state only one, D for dine-in or T for takeaway. So, the customer will make decision for the place. After that, it will display menu and choose type of the pastry, P or T or M or C. The customer will choose the code pastry. It will continue to display enter the code of the name of the pastry. The customer will input the code name, then it will display choose the option of the pastry. The customer will input the option. After that, it will display please enter the quantity. The customer will input the quantity they want. Next, the system will display add to cart. If the customer answer yes, price equals to price pastry, code name, option, price, quantity. It will display your order price is RM price. Or else, price equals to price pastry, code name, option, price, quantity, and price equals to 0. It will display your order price is RM price. And this is the formula for total order. And after that, the system will display continue order, yes or no. And then the customer will input the order. If yes, the system will be repeat. After that, the system will display the total price for your purchase is RM, and the system will read the total order. Next, the system will display choose your payment method. C for cash, K for debit or credit card, or Q for QR code, and then the customer will choose the payment method. If payment is C or K or Q, it will display receipt total order, or S, it will display error in choosing payment method. If the customer choose other than Y when ordering, the system can be processed. That's the end. This is the function of void display menu. Next, this is the function for float price pastry, char code pastry, char code name, char option, float price, and in quantity. And then this is the last function, float display receipt float total order.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aina Nur Adila binti Hamidai. My ID number is 2022881044. I would like to present about field type. With type program, we declare all variables. First, customer need to enter their name, order and place. Then, recall the function passing parameter by reference, which is void display menu. After that, customer need to enter code pastry, code name, option and quantity. The customer can choose whether they want add to cart or not. The program will recall the function which is float price pastry. If yes, the price will equal to price pastry. If not, the price will equal to 0. Then, if the customer want continue order, they need to enter Y. The program will display menu again, and customer need to enter the code pastry that they want to buy more. If no, they need to enter N. After the customer have done order, total order will be displayed. In the meantime, customer can make a payment. They can choose payment method, which is pay by cash, credit or debit card, or QR code. If customer want to pay by cash, the code is C. K for credit or debit card, and Q for QR code. If they enter other than that, the program will display error in choosing payment method. If the zone is correct, the program will recall the function which is display receipt total order. This is the function void display menu. Next, this is the function float price pastry. And this is the last one, is the function display receipt total order.
The beginning of the program, the user need to enter the name and need to state which is the user want to dine in or take away. After that, the user need to enter type of pastry, which is like pavlova, muffin, cream puff or tart. And then the user need to enter another code about name or pastry. And next, about the option, which is single or mini that have different price. And the next is about the quantity, which is the user need to state how much quantity they want to order. And after the order done, we will ask again to the user about the order which is they want to add to cart or not. At here we can cancel the order, which is the if the user wrong choose for the order. For the next is continue to order, which is if the user type Y, the program will looping and start order for the new one. And if no, they will display a total price, and we need one more input about payment method. And if the user enter the payment method, and receipt will display. So this is the output sample. We start with the enter name and state about dine in or take away, and menu will display after that. And they have 4 input from the user about type of pastry, name of pastry, option and quantity. And after that, they will display about the add to cart. If they type yes, they will display a price for the order. If no, the order will be 0, like we can see here. So if the user type Y for the continue to order, the program will looping and display again the menu, and user need to input again for new order. So we can see here when the user type no for the continue order, and they will display the total price. They will display receipt when the user done for the payment.
That's all from us. Thank you.